Alright, hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. So we're here today at the Infinite Energy Arena in just outside of Atlanta, and this is a women's health forum that we are attending today. By we, I mean you, because you are coming along with me on this journey. So hopefully we're going to learn a lot of great information just about how to care for ourselves, how to care for our family. So I'm really excited about this. So we're going to go ahead and go inside. My little ashy skin.
I'm gonna pull up your sleeve a little.
That's fine.
I'm old school, so I am not used to putting these kind of weird things on. Isn't that awful?
Well, my stepmother bought me one.
Oh, okay. You know,
After I got out the hospital.
There it goes. Just relax your arm.
Okay, yeah.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, I would.
143/93.
That's typical.
Is it? Okay. You know, too bad, but it certainly is elevated. Now,
Alright guys, so we are here. This is the Gwinnett Medical Women's Center. It's the baby place. It's what my daughter calls it. It's the baby place. So this is where we picked up our baby from. And I have to tell you, just a side note, the NICU here is 100% fantastic, guys. Prayerfully, you will never be in need of NICU services, but if you are in the greater Atlanta area, North Side, and Gwinnett Medical, Lawrenceville, to me, have the 100% best NICUs like you will ever want your children treated at. So that is just my little plug for the GMC NICU, okay? That sounds good.
So what we're going to do on the scan is I'm going to look at the nerves that come out of the top of your neck and out of the base of your neck.
Okay.
If there's pressure on those nerves, I can show you how we can help you with it. The way it looks is if there's no pressure on the nerves that come out of the neck, you're going to see those short green bars like on this scan.
Okay.
As they come out, the more pressure's on them, the darker they get. So the pink ones are moderate pressure. The red ones are severe pressure, and the longer the bar, the more it's been there. If you got like real long red bars, that maybe means it's starting to damage the nerves.
We don't want that.
We don't want damage to the
No, we don't want that.
So we'll see.
guys, Anita Renfro was our keynote speaker. She was a comedian from the Atlanta, Georgia area. And first and foremost, she is hysterical. And secondly, check out her website so you can see the dates for her upcoming shows. And if you are in the area, definitely take the time to go see her. I do not think you'll be disappointed. But in any event, Anita offered some great life advice, and I'm going to share that with you right now. Guys, this is it. We're at the end of our day. It was such a fantastic day. Very grateful for all the organizations that came out in support of this Women Wellness Day. And I got a lot of great information. The keynote speaker was just flat out hilarious. So, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you take 2018 to really just take the steps to get healthy, okay? You know, you didn't get to where you are overnight, so you're not going to, be Superwoman, Wonder Woman overnight, guys, but it's all about taking the little steps that you need, okay? One day at a time. Alright guys, so hi, yeah, I look crazy and I have to tell you guys what happened. It was a long day, a good day. The beginning was great. I'm so glad I went to the fair, but I know I've talked about it in past videos. When I was pregnant with my son, I was about I was 28 weeks pregnant. And one day I sat down for breakfast and I was eating off of a tray and I collapsed face first. I was sitting on my sofa. We had construction going on in the house, in the kitchen, dining room area, so I could not go in that area. So I was sitting on the family room sofa and I collapsed off of the sofa face down into my breakfast. That was about 9:30 in the morning on a Sunday is when I sat down to eat. When I came to, it was about 11 o'clock, so that's like an hour and a half. By the time I made it upstairs, it was 11 o'clock, so I probably came to somewhere around 10:40-ish, because it took me at least 20 minutes to get up the steps. But that feeling that my body just was on the verge of shutdown is kind of what I was feeling today. And it's a very scary feeling. I know with my fall, I had some brain trauma. And that sense of mortality is very real for me. So when I go to events like this, it's really important to me. I'm not that old. I just turned 40, and I know I have not lived the best, most healthiest lifestyle, but I'm not a drinker or smoker, no drugs, no craziness, but I've had a lot of emotional stress and kind of physical trauma, if you will, in the last decade that has really worn on my body. And it's very humbling to get to a place physically where I feel like I might not wake up. And I've had those moments. And today was one of those days. For all the good things that happened today at the health fair. When I left and I went and picked up some groceries and then came home about halfway through my grocery trip, I started feeling like, okay, something is really not right. Got home, had just enough energy to unload the groceries, put those up, have something to eat because I knew I needed to eat. And then I told my husband, I was like, I'm going to stay down here because I need you to keep an eye on me. And to be quite honest, guys, I'm tired of having those conversations. I'm tired of feeling like if I lay down, I might not wake back up. And that was today. That was today. So when I do videos for you guys and I'm sharing my story, I'm sharing because it's real. Because that sense of mortality is very real for me. My battery's low, which is why I don't have a light on this recording, but it's been a long afternoon. It was a great morning, but it's been a really long afternoon. So I hope whatever you take, from this video, I hope that you take that it's never too late to start making whatever changes you need to make to get your health where it should be. Like, it's never too late until it's too late. That's what I tell, my kids. That is my motto. It's never too late until it's too late. So I want to see 45, and that's a very young age. But I know where my health is and the things that I have going on right now, that even though tomorrow is not a guarantee in the grand scheme of things, I don't even know if 45 is there for me, and I want it to be there. I want to see my kids grow up. I want to experience the things that life has to offer. I tell my husband, we just hit decade number 2. We just begun decade number 2. I want to see it come to a close, So, in any event, I'm going to take my little teary self downstairs and have some dinner and drink some water and just lay back down and get some rest. But, it's never too late. Do what you need to do to take care of yourself. I'm looking at this pile of laundry in front of me, guys. I'm not tackling that tonight, that's for sure. But, you gotta take care of your health. And my melanin sisters that are watching this video, where were you today? Where were you? I'm calling every single one of you out. I am tired of going to health events and not seeing us represented. You need to stop.